Let's put on the Beluga Baby Buckle Carrier with a newborn. The waistband is adjustable and grows with your baby. It should always span knee to knee, and here's how I would adjust it for a newborn baby. I'm bringing that slider in as far as it will go. Then I like to personally tighten up these PFAs or perfect fit adjusters. Once each of those is secure, I'm going to go ahead and tighten the webbing between the shoulder strap and buckle. I find this allows for the easiest adjustment once baby is in. For a newborn, you're going to place this waistband high on your body. You'll want to have this right under the sternum or bust. Tighten as needed, and your carrier panel should be falling over that waistband. You'll want to place your baby's bottom about halfway down the waistband and bring that panel up into position. Slide both arms into the shoulder straps. You'll have that strap loose between the panel and the clip. When you've done this, the chest clip will be up high on your neck, allowing you to easily clip it into place. Pull forward to tighten and lower that chest clip. You'll want to see that chest clip right at about your shoulder blades. We always want that panel to be mid-ear or lower. It should never cover baby's head. Fold down any excess fabric inside to keep baby's face visible. A pelvic tuck can be utilized to ensure baby is in the proper position. You'll want to see this nice M shape. They should also have a nice supported J shape to their back. Always keep in mind the ticks. Tight inside, close enough to kiss, keep chin off chest, and supported back. The Beluga Baby does offer a hood. You can find this inside the zippered portion inside your carrier. You want to refrain from fully covering your baby's head with the hood. Instead, pin up one side for shade or support and leave the other side down, keeping the face clear. When utilized properly, baby's face is always clear and visible to the wearer. To store, simply unsnap and place back inside that zippered pocket. You may find you need to refold down that fabric. When removing baby from the carrier, go ahead and place one hand on baby to support them and loosen your shoulder straps. Doing this on both sides will raise your chest clip, allowing you to more easily access it. Simply unclip your chest clip and then remove the shoulder straps while supporting your baby. And that is how you use your Beluga Baby Buckle Carrier with a newborn.